Hi guys, we are group 11 and this is our topic is travel insurance. And this is the teammate. My name is Chen Qing and I want to talk about what is travel insurance. Travel insurance is a specialist type of insurance that provides coverage for a variety of risks and unforeseen events that may occur during travel. It generally includes protection against trip cancellation, medical emergency, loss or delay luggage, travel delay, and other travel-related incidents. Additionally, it can extend to cover specific risks such as evacuation due to natural disaster, misconnection, or even coverage for adventurous activities. Why is travel insurance important? The first one is dealing with uncertainty. Traveling in Arctic comes with uncertainties. We can never fully predict what might happen during our trip, such as unexpected cancellation or emergency. Travel insurance acts as a safety net, providing layered security and enabling travel to handle risks more effectively. The second one is protection against financial loss. Without insurance, unexpected incident can result in significant financial burdens. For instance, emergency medical expense, especially while aboard, can be extremely costly. Similarly, losing baggage can cause inconvenience and additional expense. Travel insurance assists in mitigating this caused by reimbursing the expense or providing financial assistance. Common scenario where travel insurance can be essential. The first one is accidents during activities aboard. Consider a situation where a traveler gets injured while hiking or engaging in other adventure activities. The cost of medical treatment in a foreign country can be overwhelming, but travel insurance can cover this expense, ensuring timely care without financial stress. The second one is flight delay. Flights delay for hours or longer can disrupt plans, forcing travel to find temporary accommodation and occur additional expense for meal and transportation. Many travel insurance policies cover this extra costs, reducing travelers for their unexpected expenditure. The last one is loss or delay baggage. Losing primary baggage during transit can leave travel without essential items like clothing or shoes. Travel insurance allows for claims to recover the cost of these urgent necessities, helping travel navigate such inconvenience smoothly.
Okay, I'm Guanru Wu. I'm going to show you coverage and features of the travel insurance. Travel inconvenience insurance focuses on issues related to your itinerary. For instance, if your flight is delayed beyond the time specified in your policy, you may be eligible for compensation to cover additional expense like accommodation or meals. Similarly, baggage delays or losses are also covered, with reimbursement provided based on the actual losses or cost of replacement items. Additionally, if unforeseen events like nature disasters or strikes force you to cancel or interrupt your trip, you can claim reimbursement for the associated costs. If you lose your passport or other critical document while abroad, the insurance may cover replacement fees and provide assistance services. On the other hand, travel insurance is centered on incidents affecting personal safety. If you suffer injuries during your trip, be it from a fall, a car accident, or other surf event, the insurance will cover you medical expenses. In the unfortunate event of accidental death or permanent disability, a lump sum payment is provided. Furthermore, services such as emergency medical evacuation or repatriation of remains are also included, which can be very costly without insurance. It may be easier to recognize the coverage of these two different insurances with simple words. Travel insurance focuses on risks related to personal safety, and travel inconvenience insurance covers non-personal injury risk during traveling. Let's now consider the features of these two types of insurance. The primary feature of travel inconvenience insurance focuses on protecting against financial and itinerary-related risks. This type of insurance often involves frequent small claims, such as loss for baggage delays or flight issues. It is particularly suited for travelers who wish to minimize inconvenience during their trips. Additionally, travel inconvenience insurance offers flexible policy designs, allowing travelers to choose specific coverage based on their needs. Most policies also include 24/7 assistance services, provide quick support for unexpected situations, such as rebooking flights or contacting local service providers. In contrast, travel insurance emphasizes protection against major incidents. This type of insurance generally provides high coverage limits, offering substantial personal safety guarantees. It is especially suitable for those engaged in high-risk activity or undertaking long-distance travel. While claims may be less frequent, the payouts are typically significant, providing meaningful financial support for individuals and families. So, how do you choose the right insurance? If you are going on a short trip or are particularly concerned about flight delays, baggage issues, or other itinerary changes, travel inconvenience insurance is your best choice. However, if your trip involves outdoor activities, high-risk sports, or destination with limited medical resources, travel insurance is an essential investment. For comprehensive protection, consider purchasing both types of insurance to ensure peace of mind throughout your journey.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn Pham. I'm going to talk about pricing and policy design. Pricing and policy designs are two critical aspects of travel insurance. Pricing determines the cost of the policy, while policy design focuses on creating a coverage plan that balances affordability and protections. Together, they ensure that both travelers and insurers benefit. Now let's look at the factors that influence how travel insurance premiums are calculated. First, risk level plays a major role. For example, traveling to a safe country with strong healthcare systems will generally cost less than going to high-risk situations. Similarly, if a trip involves high-risk activities like skiing or scuba diving, the premium increases. The second one is trip durations matters. A weekend trip possesses less risk compared to a month-long adventures, so shorter trips are typically cheaper to insure. Third, traveler demographics affect pricing. Older travelers or those with pre-existing health conditions might face higher premiums because they pose a higher risk to insurers. Next, the coverage type selected also impact costs. Basic plans that only cover trip consolations are more affordable than premium plans that include medical evaluations and adventurous activities. Lastly, Optional adds-on like electronics protections or cancer for any reasons coverage increase the overall price. By considering these factors, insurers ensure that each traveler pays a fair price based on their specific risks and needs. On to the next one, policy design focuses on creating customizable options for travelers. Most policies include standard features like medical coverage and trip cancellations, but they also offers add-ons like cancer for any reasons, or we can call it CFAR, adventure sports coverage, higher medical limits for remote destinations. However, policies often exclude pre-existing conditions or extreme activities unless additional coverage is purchased. Move on to the next one. Let's look at a practical example of how travel insurance pricing and policy design come together. This table breaks it down clearly, showing the key components that affect cost and average. First, we start with the base premium. For example, a 7-day trip to Japan, which is considered a low-risk destination, might cost $50 for a standard travel insurance plan. This price reflects factors like the destinations, trip length, and basic coverage. Next, we have add-ons. These are optional features travelers can include for an additional cost. For instance, gadget insurance might cost $10, while adventure sports coverage for activities like skiing or scuba diving adds another $15. There is also cancer for any reasons options that cost $20, giving travelers more flexibility. With all these add-ons, the total cost comes to $95. This highlights how insurance pricing is modular, allowing customers to choose the coverage that suits their needs and budget. The standard plan includes covering limits such as $100,000 for medical emergencies, $5,000 for trip cancellations, and $1,000 for baggage loss. These limits ensure financial protections during the trip. Finally, flexibility is a key part of policy design. In this example, travelers can extend their coverage mid-trip for $5 per day, making the plan adaptable to unexpected changes. This example demonstrates how pricing and policy designs are interconnected, balancing affordability, flexibility, and coverage to meet different travel needs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chen Chen. I will explain about the development of the travel insurance market. Here is the graphic of the travel insurance market based on travel insurance market research. In 2023, the global travel insurance market was valued at $22.6 billion. It's growing fast and is expected to reach $143.5 billion by 2033, driven by a CAGR of 20.1%. We can conclude the sustained demand for travel insurance in the coming years. Now, as we can see here based on region-wise, there are two that appeals more to the market. Europe was the leader in the travel insurance market in 2022. This is because Europe has been the destination for many travelers due to strong rules and regulation. There is recognition of the need for travel insurance. And here in Asia Pacific, it will be expected to grow quickly in the coming years. This growth is due to rising travel expenditure and increase of disposable income, which will lead to more people spending on travel and greater awareness of how helpful travel insurance can be. For now, we can clearly expect a huge boost in the travel insurance market by both of these two leaders. As a conclusion, there are a few main reasons why the travel insurance market is growing. First, people are more aware of unseen risks After the pandemic and another global event, people are realizing that travel can come with risks that we can predict. Buying insurance can protect ourselves. Second, we have visa rules. Some countries, especially those in Europe, require proof of travel insurance as part of a visa application process. It is all to cover unexpected medical expenses or accident happening during trip. And the last one, technology make it easier. Travel insurance companies are focused on technology like mobile apps, AI, and blockchain to stem claim, improve customer experience, and offer instant policy update. Digitalization make it easier for travel to access help anytime and anywhere. Thank you.
Today I'm going to share about travel insurance recommendation for 3 popular regions. The first one is for Japan and Korea. Both regions face high climate risk, including typhoon and heavy snowstorm. This condition can cause frequent flight delays. For travelers, the priority is choosing a plan with high compensation for flight delays. Here are some recommended plans, especially the Cathay Insurance. It simplifies the claim process, even offer automatic compensation for flight delays. Next, let's look at the Southeast Asia. This region is known for its health risk. When traveling to Southeast Asia, prioritize insurance plans that including sudden illness and infectious disease coverage. It's very important. Here are the recommended options. And the Union Economical Plans 1, which provides comprehensive coverage and is very budget friendly. Now let's move on to Europe. Here travelers face 2 key concerns. The first one is they need to meet the visa requirement, at least $1 million in medical coverage. And the second one is risks such as package parking and lost baggage and the flight delay is really common in Europe. In summary, our presentation explored common scenario, helping travelers understand when and why insurance is essential. We analyze key coverage features and emphasize the importance of choosing the right option based on the risk. Additionally, we reviewed the price strategy, plot, price design, and the growth of travel insurance market, offering insight into full picture of travel insurance.